months of saying I'm gonna start a YouTube channel. It is finally here. Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. For those of you who don't know me, hi, my name's Ari and I'm so excited that this channel is finally coming along. I've been working on it for so long. I've been having so many ideas, and the fact that it's actually starting is like such an accomplishment for me. So thank you so much for tuning in. I really hope you guys enjoyed not only this video but this whole channel. So thank you so much for tuning in. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and follow me on all my social media accounts. So for this video, I wanted to show you guys how I got this super natural no makeup look. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching the video. I'm basically doing the usual, brushing my eyebrows because I'm going to be drawing them and filling them in. I'm using my MAC eyeliner in order for me to draw them, and I'm going really light because I really want my eyebrows to look as natural as possible. Then I'm picking up my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow to create fake hairs in the beginning of my eyebrows. I'm now using my Too Faced concealer with a flat brush so that I could clean up the brows, and applying the concealer all over the bottom of my eyebrows. I'm now using my E.l.f. Corrective Concealer Palette and applying this light shade here all over my lid because that will really help my eyeshadow pop out. I'm picking up my Maybelline Fit Me setting powder in order for me to set the eyes. I'm now going to use my JACLYN Hill palette to do my eyeshadow. This palette is my favorite. It has so many different colors, 38 to be exact, and I think it's so worth the money. As you guys can see, I'm using the colors very softly because I really want this to be super natural. Then with a flat brush, I'm picking up this shimmer shade and applying that all over my lid. I'm then going over with the same brush that I used before to blend everything out. So for foundation, I mix both Fenty and Maybelline, and that gives me the perfect match for my shade. Then with this brush here, I'm going to blend everything out. going over everything with a beauty blender for extra blending because that's really how the foundation will look natural on your face. Blending is the key, you guys. I can't stress that enough. I'm not going to be applying any concealer on my forehead or nose like most people do because I really want to keep this simple. With the same Maybelline powder, I'm going to apply the setting powder in the areas that I concealed. With this powder, I'm dusting off the Maybelline setting powder, but I'm still baking under my eyes. With this NYX concealer in the shade Deep Rich, I'm gonna contour my face. With this NYX foundation powder, I'm going to set the places that I contoured. So I'm going to dust everything off with the same L'Oreal powder so everything can be blended together and set in place. Using this random black eyeliner from a beauty supply store, I'm going to line my waterline. I'm now using my Maybelline mascara. I don't want to apply lashes because not only do I suck at it, but I really want to keep this natural and simple. I'm now using this gold shade from the JACLYN Hill palette to highlight my nose, Cupid's bow, and the corner of my eyes. I'm now applying this brown lipstick from NYX, not too much, and I'm gonna blend it with my fingers so that it can look super soft. Then I'm picking up this lipstick from MAC and I'm applying it in the center of my lip. I'm now using the same gold shadow to highlight my brow bone and blending that with my finger. To add a little bit of gloss on my lips, so I used this NYX Butter Gloss, which kind of matches with the lipstick that I previously applied. So that is it, you guys. I love beating my face and still looking natural and simple, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe and make sure to look out for more videos. Bye! Wow, on fait frisson pour moi, pas qu'à camper de
Fais-moi peut-être